Shaving leads to razor bumps, irritation, and stubble in just a day. Don't let it ruin your summer glow. In this video, I'll share the best waxing tips to keep your skin flawless all summer long. Like and subscribe for more beauty tips. Let's get started. Ditch the razor. Why waxing? When waxing removes hair from the root, leading to longer lasting smoothness, less irritation compared to daily shaving, reducing razor burns. Over time, hair grows back finer and sparser. Choose the right wax for summer. Hard wax is best for sensitive skin and short hair. Soft wax is great for larger areas like legs and arms. Sugar waxing is a natural, gentle alternative. Exfoliate before waxing for best results. Removes dead skin, helping wax grip the hair better. Prevents ingrown hairs by clearing clogged pores. Use a gentle scrub 24 hours before waxing. Hair length matters. The perfect waxing timing. Ideal hair length: 1/4 to 1/2 inch, about the length of a grain of rice. Too short, wax won't grip properly. Too long, it can be more painful. Trim beforehand. Prep your skin. Clean and dry is key. Wash skin to remove oils, lotions, and sweat. Dry thoroughly. Moisture prevents wax from sticking. Avoid applying any creams or oils before waxing. The right way to apply wax: always apply wax in the direction of hair growth. Pull the strip or hard wax off against hair growth. Keep skin taut to minimize pain. How to minimize waxing pain? Take a pain reliever 30 minutes before waxing. Apply a numbing cream if you're extra sensitive. Wax after a warm shower to open up hair follicles. The best aftercare to avoid irritation: apply an aloe vera gel or soothing lotion. Avoid hot showers, saunas, or sun exposure for 24 hours. Wear loose clothing to prevent friction. Preventing and treating ingrown hairs: exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week post-waxing. Use a salicylic acid or glycolic acid treatment to prevent bumps. Moisturize to keep skin soft and hair growing properly. Sun protection: why it's crucial post-waxing. Freshly waxed skin is extra sensitive to UV rays. Use SPF 30+ to prevent dark spots or burns. Avoid direct sun exposure for at least 24–48 hours. Waxing and swimming: do's and don'ts. Avoid swimming pools for 24–48 hours. Chlorine can irritate skin. Salt water can sting freshly waxed skin. Be cautious. Apply a protective barrier like coconut oil before hitting the water. DIY vs professional waxing. What's best? DIY waxing is cost-effective, but requires technique. Professional waxing ensures better results with minimal pain. Salon waxes use high-quality products that reduce irritation. If you're new to waxing, start with the professional before going DIY. Check out the best waxing kits and skincare in the description below. Ditch the razor and embrace smooth, flawless skin this summer. Follow these waxing tips and comment below what's your biggest waxing challenge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips.